Hello, my name is George of the Jungle, Kili of the Jungle. I want to show you something that we eat here in the bush. Some small fruits. You see these ones? They're very, very sweet. Yummy, 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 yummy. Some food. Maasai food. Sometimes when I go to the bush, when I go take care of the cows, and then I'm thirsty and I need food, and then you don't have food because you go for 12 hours a day with the cows in the bush, you find this sweet, this tiny sweet fruit. I don't know how do you, it's fruits or whatever. And then you find this one and then you eat. They are very, very good. Very, very sugary. Small but sweet. Short and sweet. Maasai food. You all see these ones? See you next time when I have something to show you. Bye.